Ladies and gentlemen, you're not in the Newsbeat live room. You see this big green bar off of a news play, and you wish you could catch it. Is there a scalping opportunity? What is a chart reset? Is Melnick giving you a free strategy? Should he sample pizza? What's going to happen? We're going to share with you a free strategy today. It's going to cost you absolutely nothing. I am Mark Melnick, and this is the Newsbeat Show. The following Newsbeat Show today is sponsored by T3 Live, creating tomorrow's best traders in the Newsbeat live room today. Also, the Newsbeat show is here to, and thanks to, viewers like you. If you would like a free overcoming psychological toxicity video, well then look no further because this is going to help you understand everything we do. And if you think you're in a consistent trading room while you're not in the Newsbeat live room, you're not, because nobody really has the balls to ask this question, and I would love somebody to prove me wrong. How confident are you that you will make money tomorrow? A random question asked in the largest room here at T3, and 79% of people were confident in their abilities. We did this live poll yesterday on the Newsbeat live show number 812. Now back to the strategy. Sometimes you look at a stock and all of a sudden it just starts spiking up. And you would, oh my goodness, if you were in there, you see the volume go up. Every time you see the volume start to elevate, something magical really happens. And that magic is a lot of times you get followed through, especially, and this works really well on a lot of the bullshit Wall Street bet names, the little meme stocks, the stocks that should be trading, or in your humble opinion, should be trading at like 90% less than where they are. So I'm going to show you a really simple strategy to capitalize on these moves. And don't worry, if you're interested in being part of these moves in real time, you can join T3's most consistent trading room and Wall Street's most consistent trading room. And again, I'd like to see somebody prove me wrong, considering 98% of traders fail. Now, with that being said, let's get to the strategy, won't we? Right over here. We're going to start off with Clover Health. All right, Clover Health. What we're really looking for is, all right, in the morning it worked. We were talking about on a one and done, but we're just showing you a 1 minute chart here. And I want to show you really what happens is when the volume spikes, and you really saw, I mean, the volume like elevated here, and you could just literally notice like the volume spiking. I'm actually going to paste it for you and literally show you so I could give you an in-depth real lesson. I removed all of my moving averages and all my technical parameters just so I can show you this chart and draw on it. And what you'll notice down here is you'll notice that the volume began to elevate. You'll notice that the volume really begins to elevate down here, meaning it's trading higher. Granted, Clover had an F ton of volume today, and by F ton I mean 732.8 million shares traded today, which is the scientific term is F ton. There's metric tons. There's a normal ton, which is 2,000 pounds, and then there's an F ton, which is an obnoxious number that should make your head spin. That's an F ton, just so we're clear. So right over here, you could clearly see the volume elevating. I mean, you could clearly see how it's obviously a lot more tepid over here, and then all of a sudden you just sort of see it, spike up. You sort of see it just start spiking up. But what I want to do is I want to focus on one of them here, and I'm going to zoom in, and I just want to, I guess I won't zoom in too big, and I just want you to focus on that bar right over here. And a lot of people right over here on this bar, which just so we're perfectly clear, coincides with this bar, is that you tend to get a follow through when the candlestick closes in the upper 75% of the range plus. What do I mean by 75% of the range plus? Do you have to sit there with your little nerdy calculator? No, you could do it visually, I feel is really the easiest way. And if you just see like pretty much just drawing, this is about 75% the upper 75%, maybe even this is the upper 75% of the candle. And this is a 1 minute chart. And you can pretty much see that if you're closing at or above that purple line, you're pretty much closing in the upper end of the range. And it's really effective when you have elevated volume. So what I like to do is on the next candlestick is you actually could just do, because we're using a chart reset, which is one of the Newsbeat strategies, which we share with you for free. And again, if you want to ask what our free strategies do, we create the most consistent traders on Wall Street. Our methodology is meant for the masses. Most people's methodologies are made for superheroes like Superman and Wonder Woman, who could do magical things in the market with 1,700 positions. Our methodologies were literally created for the masses to be dominated by the masses. And yes, I will go back to that slide because I'm effing proud of it. I've been doing this shit for 14 years. The broadcasting part, trading for 22 years. I've been doing this shit for 14 years. I want to see the people around me succeed. That is my number one objective. That should be the objective of every single guru out there. Shame on them if they make anything else in the world not that objective. Going back to the charts here, you get a chart reset, and then you get a simple one and done strategy. Now, I know what you are thinking. Mark, what is a one and done? I don't know what a one and done is. I want to know exactly what a one and done is. Well, the good news is I'm going to share with you right now the one and dones. I'm going to share with you exactly what the one and done is. It's just a simple strategy, and I'm going to show you this. I'm going to show you everything. Don't worry, baby. Got you. I got you real good. One and done is a very simple strategy, okay? It's a very simple strategy. You're basically looking for a name that gaps up. You could literally ignore step one because, the name is already trading throughout the day. You're just basically waiting for a 1 minute bar to close, and in English, just going long through the next 1 minute bar. That's the simplistic approach to this entire thing. You could go back, pause on this video, and watch all the rules I apply. But I'd rather keep it simple, stupid, because I don't think making money has to be complicated. If it was complicated, again, going back to the very obvious, if trading was really, really complicated, with 98% of traders failing, I wouldn't be able to pull this poll. Nobody on Wall Street can do this. Am I boasting? Yes, this is my idea of boasting. I boast on the success of others around me. So, yes, I'm proud of it. To me, this is like an effing trophy. This basically justifies the countless hours that I put into this profession to bring people to the next level. And what do? Well, how about the other 21% of people who are not confident? I basically said, how confident are you that you'll make money tomorrow? People were extremely and very confident. I have other polls where I ask people if they're consistently making money, where 75% say yes. But that's the latest poll, and I figured I would show it. And every so often, I plan on redoing them. So don't worry, you'll always get some form of updated polling data. Okay? So, what do you do right here to take advantage of the Clover one and done? You're pretty much buying on candle number two here. You're pretty much buying on this second bar right over here. So if this is, candlestick number one, if this is candlestick number one and this is candlestick number two, you're basically buying as candlestick number two breaks above the prior bar's high right at this purple line. I mean, you're literally purchasing this stock right there for a break. Whether you front run it or not a little because it's fast, fine. You're pretty much buying it right there for a quick sell. And you're selling it in preferably less than 60 seconds, sometimes 10 seconds, 5 seconds, 20 seconds, 30 seconds. I mean, literally, the way I do these trades is I literally click market buy and market sell, and you can make a shit ton of money. If I was a prop trader, this is a strategy I would do all day. If you were a T3 prop trader, you can inquire in T3. T3 has a lot of beautiful prop trading programs, and our methodology helps prop traders succeed more than anywhere else. Our non-prop trading helps people succeed more than everyone everywhere else because of this. And I will ingrain this in your memory that most traders do indeed fail, not over here in the Newsbeat live room. We are not consistent. The people who struggle are the minority, and we give them 99% of our attention and focus so they can literally start clicking that they're confident and that they're consistently profitable. Okay, yes, I will show you that chart more than once. So right over here, you're basically buying it for that quick move. And what happens is you're just waiting for one bar to really elevate in volume, and then you're just literally buying through the high of the next bar. Now you might be sitting there and you might be saying, well, where's your stop? Well, um, most ass clowns on Wall Street would tell you that your stop should be probably over there, right? Most ass clowns would tell you that, all right, stop? No, not unless you have like some mental deficiency. Will your stop be there? That is not your stop. You want to know what your stop is? Write the F away if it goes against you. But I bought it and went down to nickel. Buy. But I lost the nickel. To give you an idea of what happens when this stock works, again, if you don't understand why I'm doing this, I can't force you to have a free ebook. I'm putting it by your door, gift wrapped in front of you. If you don't want to take a free ebook and read it, you want to hear some bullshit artist scan 30 names, 40 names, 20 names, 10 names, 5 names, and dump them all over your face and hope you like it. This is not the room for you. This is not the show for you. Sorry. We're here to turn people into real consistent, profitable traders, not the bullshit you see around you. Going back to Clover. Yes. So right over here was the example in which we were using again. You could literally see it right there, right after 10:30. I'm going to just show you on the chart now what happened at 10:30. And this was pretty much the move that I screenshotted. So what happens is this is the top of the bar. This is bar one, and this is bar two. Again, just showing you the screenshot again. Bar one, bar two. You see that? We're going to show you the actual chart right here. Here's bar one. So basically, when this bar goes above 2190, which is the top of the bar to the left, it shot to 2325. This stock moved $1.35. Now, I'm not sitting there pretending that you caught $1.35. If you caught 30 cents, 40, really, if you saw the move, it would be almost, you would have to try hard to probably not make 30, 40, 50 cents in my experience. Again, I can't talk on your behalf. Maybe you're different. Maybe you can't do it. I'm not saying you can do it. I would never tell you to buy or sell a security ever. But it moved $1.35 and it shot up right away. It opened up and just exploded that candlestick. And after it went through 2190, that was it. It just ran through the ceiling. It just ran through the ceiling. So when you're wrong, you're going to lose. Me, I will lose 1, 5, 10, 15 cents, 20 cents, 30 cents on a trade like this when I'm wrong. But when I'm right, I could catch 60, 70, 80, 90 cents, a dollar on a $1.35 move like this. And this is a 1 minute chart. You are literally taking a $20 name on these Wall Street meme names, and you could catch a dollar. I mean, these stocks are moving dollars. $20 names are moving dollars in within 60 seconds on a 1 minute time frame. What I am telling you is there's a unique opportunity to take advantage of that. And if you want to see that done in real time, I am going to be focusing not only but also on this strategy tomorrow. You guys are going to hear me call out one and dones on these chart reset names. A lot of the things we were focusing on today exploded up. We even caught this hog, even if you did this one and done in Harley Davidson, hog, H-O-G, Harley Davidson. We caught this move up on the European news. We caught Boeing right here. Look at this off the chart reset. You see the first bar explode with volume? And now I'm showing you my technical parameters, obviously, but which is fine. They're all listed here, all the moving averages, pivot points, VWAP. You can actually read them all, and they're all color coded, so you know exactly what I'm looking at. And the dotted lines are simple pivot points right here, if you're curious. But even after the one and done in Boeing went from 253.24 to 254.43, Boeing moved $1.19 in 60 seconds during lunchtime. Were we all over this news flow? Yes. Thanks to the team of the people around us in the Newsbeat live room, we were able to catch this. We work together as a team. We share stuff together. We share levels together. We share things together and we succeed together. We work together as a unit to bring the best information on Wall Street to our service. And we are blessed. And I am blessed. And we are all blessed to have the people around me. I say it all the time. People like, I am by far, you know, I am by far down the list, maybe the second most important thing to this room, but way down. The most important thing is the collaboration and work of everyone together as a unit. Nothing is 1%. That's 99% of the Newsbeat live room. That's 99% of the Newsbeat live room. People sharing phenomenal technical setups, people sharing phenomenal news flow, people sharing everything, working together, sharing the names they're watching. That's what makes us work. That's what brings the true consistency. If you're wondering, if you're looking at those numbers and you're like, holy shit, that's impossible, Mark. There's no way there's a trading room where that many people succeed. What if there like 5 people in your room, Mark? I'm telling you, this is how we do it. This is how you help bring other people into profitability, and they are more willing, usually, to help the people around you, around them. That is that is how consistency works. You try to do good in the world. You try to make the world a better place. You try to fight to make the world a better place. You need to always smile. Behind my smile, there's a story you would probably never understand. And then a smile is a very inexpensive way to improve how you feel. It's almost like a drug. Just smile, even if it's a fake smile. You know, your brain doesn't know when you're doing a fake smile. Your muscles actually create certain areas of your brain to light up, and it actually, you can fool yourself even when you're angry if you go like this and plaster on a fake smile to believe you're happy. Did you know that? And when life and trading may give you 100 reasons to cry, I want you to show life that you have 1,000 reasons to smile. And it's the people around me in this room which give me that confidence, that give me a reason to smile, and makes everybody comfortable around me. Your smile will give you a positive countenance that will make people feel comfortable around you. A smile remains the most inexpensive gift I can bestow upon any of you, yet its powers can vanquish any issue that you might have as a trader. Success is contagious here. I want to sneeze all over you and get you infected with it. Sounds gross, but I think you know where my analogy was going. When you're around people who are happy, focusing 90% on trading and 10% a little humor and a little light stuff around today, it's infectious. Smiling is infectious. You can catch it like the flu. Somebody smiled at me today, and I started smiling too. I'm still wearing the smile that somebody gave me today. Just even thinking about it, like, genuinely makes me happy. It's crazy. It's the most beautiful thing you can wear. Keep smiling because trading is beautiful, life is beautiful, and there is so much to smile for. And I want to give you those reasons to smile. And when you're losing money, it's hard to smile. I know what it's like to go through it. I know what it's like to be um, depressed, can't get out of bed, all the terrible toxic thoughts you have while you're losing money. I get it. I get it. That's when it's the hardest time to smile. And that's when you need people around you lightening the mood. A smile is a curve that literally sets everything straight. and it will fix everything around you because you're going to be at your top mode. Psychologically speaking, smiling actually allows you to better adapt yourself to a situation. You actually learn better when you're smiling. And it's just a simple smile. That's really just the start of opening your heart and being compassionate to others. And that's why I do these videos. And that's why I love being part of the Newsbeat family. It's the best thing that has ever happened to me in my life alongside my wife and kids. It's up there amongst the best thing. You guys in the room right now are the best thing that has ever happened to me. I mean that from the bottom of my heart. And you can let your smile change people, but don't let people change your smile. Don't let anyone bring your ass down. Because when someone is rude, I want you to keep a smile on your face. When you stay on the high road and you keep your joy, you take away their power. Welcome every new morning with a smile on your face, love in your heart, and good thoughts in your mind, and you will have a wonderful day. You surround yourself with those people, and they will rub off on you, and you will become better as a trader, and you will be a happier person, and you will fight almost every single thing that is bothering you in your entire life. I hope you guys enjoyed this Newsbeat show. Happy trading, make money. I'll see you guys tomorrow on the Newsbeat Live trading broadcast. Stuff in the